Right, so I'll give an update on what I got. I got the Shoei Air 2 FA, white and black. So basically, this is the helmet that I went for because for one, the colours on it is really good, and not just that, it's a very safe helmet. Shoei is good. Now, I didn't like the idea of having a black visor. It annoys me sometimes. When I had it last time, I had a blacked out visor. I'll show you guys the helmet and what it is. So, got it from J&S. The guy was nice enough. Gave me a free lock as well. The guy knows about his bikes there anyway. So, this is it here. This is the, let me move this out of the way for now. So this is the Shoei Air 2. Shoei, however you want to call it. Very nice. The price of this helmet, I believe, was 500 or 500. So it's a very nice helmet. As you can see, let's get rid of all these stickers. They're just annoying. Let's get rid of these stickers. Okay, so this helmet comes with a pin lock. For those of you who don't know what the pin lock is, but I'll explain it anyway. Basically, it stops it so it doesn't get steamed up. When you're in there, you're breathing up the place. It doesn't get steamed up. So it's got the pin lock fitted in there. But to be honest, when you spend that sort of money, they better give that pin lock. But yeah. So what I do is I buy a helmet like this, and I would get the intercom put in. Okay, so a separate one for your phone, so it's all connected to the Bluetooth and stuff like that. But this new helmet, this new design, you can actually buy the integrated Bluetooth. It's a Shoei I'll show you the box. I'll show you the box of what it is, and then I'll go through it. So this is it here. This is the Shoei recommended see how it goes into the helmet, all of the bits there. This is a SRL2 sena, and it's for this specific helmet style. So it goes in it. The features that it's got in it: Bluetooth intercom up to 1 mile, 8-way intercom, group intercom. So you know you can connect with other devices as well. If you're going for a ride, universal intercom, audio multitasking, music sharing, voice command, advanced noise control, smart app for iPhone and Android, water resistance for use of inclement weather, built-in FM radio with station scan and save function, firmware upgradable, and optional sena remote control, which is not included in this. So yeah, that's the optional. I guess you'll put that on the side of your bike or somewhere there. So this is that, the SRL2 motorcycle Bluetooth communication system for Shoei helmets, as you can see it here. So what he's done, so it comes with all the bits already. So this had the bits already on the helmet. So all he's done is he's just clipped it all in, bang, clipped it in there. And this has got this clip, which I like. Normally the other ones have got the 2 buckles that you have to put it through, but I kind of like this clip. It's easier to take on and off. The helmet is a nice fit. So I got the size that last time, I believe I got a small one. and I didn't like that because it was just, you know. So it's perfect. So when the GoPro comes as well, I can put that on there as well. The mic's all integrated as well, so it's not like it's got a special bit cut out for it. So the mic's not sticking out nowhere. It's like with the other ones, you have to just put the mic kind of on the side. I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a mic. It's all integrated into there. So yeah, here's the visor, just on the side there. So if the sun's coming out, you can just put that down. I prefer that than having it black always. I like to have that clear visor to get the most of the visual. And let's see how so yeah, snug fit. It is good. Clips nice, easy. And I think it's a really nice looking helmet as well. Very safe, very highly recommended. And this is the type of helmet you won't get stuck with. So even if you decide to, you know, you want to upgrade, as long as you look after it and keep it clean and stuff, you will not have a problem with getting rid of that. Okay. What else does it come with? So it also comes with a booklet. Comes with some extra little bits on the front. Yeah, instruction manual and stuff. And it's got a 5-year warranty, I believe. So yeah, it's got a 5-year warranty as well. So that is the actual helmet. That's the actual helmet. Okay, now this bag. It's just good to always have this bag and always keep your helmet in this bag. You don't want it, it just saves it from getting scratched and stuff like that. Keep it clean. I'll show you the jacket. So, because I bought these bits and I go there quite often anyway, this lock is priced at $59.99 and it's a Covix disc lock. It's got a lithium battery in it. It's very loud. It's a 6mm lock pin. It's very, it's a good lock. It's very good for what it does. It's not something that you would just have on your bike, like in the middle of the night or anything like that. But for things like when you're popping into the shop or you're going in somewhere to eat or something like that, it's a very good thing to have. So as it comes with a little bag, and I'm taking it. That's got the battery in it. So this is the actual. Let's have a look. So this is it here. It is quite loud. I know it is because I had a similar one to this before. Yeah. Let's have a look. Good little lock. So we're gonna see now. It comes with a battery. So I'm gonna show you how loud this is. First we'll take it off that. Put that in. Nice and tight. Okay. So you put this on a disc, literally. Done. Right, it's locked. Now, 2 locks is off, I think. Nah, that's set. 1 lock, right? Now that's set. It gives you a warning. That's it. So once it's gone off, when it does 2 clicks, it's alright, you can move it about. When you want to access it and you want it to turn on, you literally put it on and it should just make 1 noise. That's activated. Yeah? So obviously when you want to, there you go. Now that's off. So that's off. Yeah? This is a lock. Really good little lock. It's quite heavy as well. I think it's a very good investment to have something like this. I gave it to me for free, but still, yeah. Cool. That's a lot done. Now, I was looking at jackets, okay? In terms of jackets, I went for a leather one instead. I usually go for the other ones, the material ones, but you know what, to be honest, it's better to be safe than, you know, for the extra money. So I got the Alpine Stars. Alpine Stars is a very good company. You know, it's a very nice jacket. Also goes with the bike, and it's very comfortable to wear. You know that the leather is very nice. Nice leather. But inside it's got this. It's got this as well. Got a few pockets everywhere as well. And obviously it does get hot, but this is quite, you can move about in it, and the leather is really nice leather, and it's got pads on the shoulders. There's got a pad across the back. It's not a significant big pad, but it's got pad in there. You can tighten it at the bottom here, and yeah, it is actually, it's got loads of little air vent, so we'll open them up from now, because we know that it is hot. So this is also Alpine Star, it's very good. This I paid £400, I believe it was, on sale. I think it's usually a bit more than that. It's £400, and yeah, you can add the levers to it at the bottom at a later date. It's got sufficient enough pockets in there as well, so it's quite good, you know. It's got nice little pockets in there, sufficient pockets, and it's not too tight. So let me try it on, get a look of what it. So yeah, it's got the pads along here as well, so you can just gives it that nice, you know. So the back of it as well. Just a quick video of just the stuff that I got, and like I said, as the rest of the cameras come, the GoPros, I've ordered them. I'm going to add it onto that as well, so I'll do a little review on that GoPro and how to add it and stuff like that, and then I'll get out and do a proper review on the bike, the Augusta MV. So yeah, in the meantime, subscribe to it, and I'll be putting more content out, and content in the sense of, this is what we do, you know, we love bikes, and I just want to have fun with it, you know. I've got a lot of friends on bikes. Weekends we began off-road, quad biking, got the drone coming as well, so obviously we get some amazing footage. And yeah, loads of my friends have got bikes as well, so you see a lot of content, and good content as well. So hopefully I'll do some reviews on a couple of their bikes as well, a couple of bikes that are the leading bikes at the moment people are looking for. So yeah, let me know what you guys think.